Okay, come, come, come. We see the time pass. We did a booking of this meeting for 1 hour, and 1 hour is already gone. So, anyways, okay, come back, everybody. That's the reason Zoom has stopped our meeting. Anyways, again, they have allowed us. So, let everybody come. See, what I was saying, when you are on a set, there are a lot of noise. So, you have to be very concentrated. Like, as a director, what I have to take a shot. As an actor, what is my character? What I have to portray? Everything we have to have in our mind. Otherwise, what will happen? A minute mistake can change your impression of an performance. When you are in a monitor, you don't act like right now you can see me this much, but that doesn't mean that my only this much is working. My toes, my everything is working. So guys, just remember the today lesson is only one thing which I want to say you, that mind, body and soul, three things need to be connected: mind, body and soul. So the exercise, this was the basic exercise which was able to connect your mind, body and soul, like with and music. Your mind connected to your soul. You went through a journey, and your body was there. You were not there physically, but you were experiencing the presence of what I was saying. In same way, when you are doing an acting, you have to make that presence. When you do any of a character, you need to feel audience, make audience feel that you are doing that character very nicely, right? So that is very much important for an actor, making your presence every time, every second. You have to be real. And when will you be real? When you are very honest from inside, very calm from inside, then only you will be able to be real there, right? So guys, just we will be having another sort of workshop again. So for 3 to 4, 5 days, practice this every day for half an hour. Play any kind of, in YouTube there are a lot of music. Play music, go through the memories lane, and you will see how it happens. Okay, so feel it, realize it, and analyze it. So you will feel how important it is to be individual. See, there's a performance. There's a teacher called Sanford Meisner, very good teacher in US. He said, acting is not about you, what you are doing. It's about the environment. Okay, so whatever I'm saying, imagine if I don't see you 10 to 15 people on my screen, will I get that energy to speak? I will not get that energy, right? So Ravi, you were the manager somewhere in an NGO. So whenever you go to field, you don't see any of your volunteers there. You will also not feel energy, right? So that is also one part of acting. You know? Suffer, when you go to a shoot with your camera and you don't find any of your actors there, will you get energy?
No, no. That will be
So
very disappointing.
very disappointing, right? So Meisner told very good thing. Acting is not about you. Okay, I'm ready. Camera is ready. But if environment is not there, emotion is not there, how will actor work? So acting is not about you. It's about the environment and what circumstances is there. Okay, so like there is a scene when I and Ravi is there, and Ravi has to slap me. So when he slaps me, I have to cry and I smile. So reaction of Ravi will be very different. Director has told. So if the acting is not about you, so always remember, you have to be proactive to react, to act. So guys, so it was very nice interacting with you. It's just a basic lesson in online. We're trying to teach to people. Slowly we will go more beyond advanced on a form of acting. Next time we are coming up with a vocal, the importance of speech, which is very much important. We'll talk about the speech. We'll send you something, okay, before coming to the workshop. So keep updating. It was nice talking to you guys, and stay safe at home, stay healthy. So, do you want to ask any questions? So we have, I think, 10 minutes of time open right now. So if I can answer you one by one, if you can ask questions.
सर अर्को क्लास कहिले हुन्छ?
अर्को क्लास एकदम छिटै हुन्छ. We are planning in weekly. We plan one classes. So soon we'll start one classes.
ओके.
हेलो सर, नमस्ते.
नमस्ते अशोक. Ashok.
Sir, can you tell me something about monologue?
Okay, that will come. We'll talk about that on a speech. Okay. See, monologue is very much important for an actor. Okay. To prepare a monologue, you can start with any book, buy any book. Okay. Read one page. Try to devise that emotion. When we take a speech class, we'll talk about the pause and emphasis of an speech. Okay. There's very much important of an pause and emphasis which you do. If you do that, that is important for monologue. See, if actor monologue is not good, then he's not a good actor, because when you do a monologue, then you will understand the power of an actor. When you are there and you are only talking to an audience singly and you are handling an audience, I think Ashok, you remember when you were in my class, I always told you to remember 4 to 5 pages. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I do. But
Ashok, I'm unable to hear you. Okay, any more questions, others? Rajesh?
I should revisit.
Yeah, it's a very wonderful book.
Monologue like
Safar? Yes, Safar, what are you asking?
No, that is not me.
Yeah, Safar.
I was just showing the books, so I wanted to revisit the book all over again.
Yeah. You must read the Stanford Meisner on acting. It's a very wonderful book, and I request everybody to read every kind of book. See, there's no parameter for an actor that you should read this, you should not read this. To read everybody, because every director has their own way and own perception of saying it, right? So you must read the book. So if you can get this book, Sanford Meisner on acting, read it, because it is beyond acting. The acting teachers which they teach it, I have been practicing Meisner technique from last 10 years, so you will understand it's beyond method acting. So Meisner says method acting is just a research work. Safar, if you read it, you will find there, he says that method, people which say about the method, so-called method acting, that is just a research work, and acting is more beyond that, right?
Yes.
Okay, any more questions, Rajesh?
Yes, actually, from last 2 months we are in quarantine and हम लोग घर में ही रह रहे हैं. And इस बीच में एक चर्चा हुई थी, आपने बताया था कि हम sometimes like we start reading and we start practicing. And after few days and few times we get start bored basically. तो जब हम बोर होने लगते हैं तो उसका मैं कुछ सॉल्यूशन चाहता हूं कि जब हम प्रैक्टिस करते करते हम एक बार बोर फील करने लगते हैं, तो जस्ट एडवाइस सम
सॉल्यूशन सिंपल एक ही है. आई जस्ट से एवरीबॉडी, व्हाई यू वांटेड टू बिकम एन एक्टर? डिड योर पेरेंट्स टोल्ड यू? It's you. So motivate yourself to motivate others, right? My parents never told me that Visharad become an actor or a director. It was me. So if you're getting bored, then just think why you started it, right? Why you wanted to become an actor? Rajesh, I think it's 15-20 years now in Mumbai. So why you came to Mumbai, right? You wanted to become an actor, right? So how can anything make you bore, which is your interest? Then that's not your interest. Then find, see, understand the everybody has good and bad flaws. I also get bored, but not with my profession. I get bored. If anybody gives me a job, I get bored. But when I don't get bored. Like yesterday, I was whole night I was saying Patal Lo. I never felt bored. I started my laptop at 9 p.m. and till 5:30 I was watching Patal Lo, right? Because that's my profession. So when you feel bored, then you think why you are feeling bored. Is it that I am not getting the interesting thing on me, or something is not interesting? See, for an actor, nothing is boring. If you take out, like, imagine you are playing a role of doctor. So physically you can become a doctor, but psychologically डॉक्टर कैसे बनोगे मेरे भाई? है ना, उसके लिए आपको एटोनॉमी पढ़ना पड़ेगा, आपको साइंस पढ़ना पड़ेगा, आपको बेसिक चीज आनी पड़ेगी. लाइक इन डॉक्टर देयर आर वेराइटीज ऑफ डॉक्टर, राइट? सो बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम एक्टिंग में क्या है कि हम किताबों से भागते हुए एक्टिंग करने आए थे और हम किताबों के बीच में ही फंस गए.
Yes,
Why?
yes, it's very true.
है ना, हम पढ़ाई, like everybody, I know, I used to run away from my books, okay, academic books, but today I read every kind of book because I don't know what will, I don't know, हो सकता है till my death I don't get to play a single role in my life. That's my destiny. So I will not count my destiny. I always believe, because 60% is your hard work, 40% is destiny. So 60% is my hard work, right? 40% को क्यों मैं देखूं? So अगर वो डेस्टिनी में मेरा कैरेक्टर ही नहीं आया, then at least 60% I have given my life. But if my destiny supports me 20% and it becomes 80% and I get different kind of role to play, then where will I go to trend that time? Then I will fail. People will throw me out of their set. है कि नहीं? So at that time what we have to do? Research. So जब भी आप बोर होते हो ना, तो सिंपल एक ही चीज सोचो, मैं क्यों why I wanted to become an actor, right? Why I bought this book? See, किसी की लाइफ इंटरेस्टिंग होती है, किसी की लाइफ बोरिंग होती है. कोई इंसान से मिलते हो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, कोई इंसान से मिलोगे बोरिंग लगता है. बट दैट इज अ लाइफ, एंड दैट्स लाइफ व्हिच एक्टर हैज टू प्ले when they get a chance in their life, right? When you see, when you there is a Kathak, like I see very actors, there is a Kathak performance and they don't watch it. Why? Imagine if you have to play a Kathak dancer tomorrow. तो आप जब तक देखोगे नहीं, वो आपके बॉडी में एनर्जी आएगा नहीं. What does metaphysics says? Metaphysics says one thing: energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It's transferred from one body to another, right? So आज जो मैं राजेश को देख रहा हूँ, तो राजेश की एनर्जी मुझे आ रही है. When you are seeing me, so my energy is going to somebody else, right? So that's life. That's beautiful, and that is a beauty of life. That life is interesting, boring, annoying, everything. And for an actor, that all things should be interesting. Because जब तक वो हमारे लिए interesting नहीं होगा, how can we make interesting and put mirch masala and put to our audience? Right, Rajesh?
Right. You are absolutely right. Actually, this is the 100% true, and I think always the similarly. बट कभी कभी क्या होता है कि अभी बाहर अभी जाने का मौका भी नहीं मिलता है, किसी दोस्त से इंटरेक्ट होने का भी मौका नहीं मिलता है. अब सेम चीज प्रैक्टिस रीडिंग करते हैं, तो समटाइम्स लाइक कि ऐसा टाइम आता है कि उसी चीज को हम बार बार प्रैक्टिस क्यों करें. तो
इसीलिए देखो, क्यों करें उसका बहुत बड़ा रीजन है. अगर कल को आपको परफॉर्मेंस करने को मिले, ठीक है, तो आपके पास कम से कम 15 एक ही डायलॉग को 15 तरीके से क्या बोल सकते हो. आप ट्राई करो, जितने लोग भी, द पीपल विच हु ऑल आर इन माय क्लास, डू वन थिंग, टेक आउट एनी वन मोनोलॉग, ओके, देयर आर वेरी गुड मोनोलॉग, है ना, एंड try to perform that monologue in 10 to 12 different emotions.
इसमें एक मेरा क्वेश्चन है सर.
हाँ.
इसमें मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है जो मैं शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, और इस चीज से मैं डरता भी हूँ. जैसे कि अगर कोई ओरिजिनल जो सेंस है डायलॉग्स का, या उस कहानी का ओरिजिनल जो सेंस है, और मैं उसको उस ओरिजिनल तरीके से मैं उसको परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ, और फिर उसको मैं एक अलग तरीके से कोशिश करता हूँ, जैसे हाँ, अलग तरीके से मैं करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, तो मैं डर जाता हूँ कि कहीं मेरी ओरिजिनैलिटी जो है, जो मैं एक जो रियल परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ, वो मेरा कहीं मिस ना हो जाए। फिर मुझे मेरी एक आदत ना बन जाए वैसा। तो मैं एक हमेशा इस चीज़ से मैं डरता हूँ, और मैं हमेशा जो रियल जो मेरा है ना, वही परफॉर्म करने की कोशिश करता हूँ मैं। और जो
ओके,
आपने बोला कि कई तरह से अलग-अलग तरीके से इंसान को
देखो
परफॉर्मेंस
एक
करना
एक
चाहिए।
इंसान
तो
एक
इसका
एक इंसान को प्यार जाहिर करने का बहुत तरीका हो सकता है, लाइक इट कैन बी लाइक, हे आई लव यू, डैम इट लिसन, आई लव यू, आई लव यू। एक ही लाइन कितने इमोशंस में चला गया। अभी मैंने 3 इमोशंस दिखाए, फ्लैक्चुएट ऑफ सेकेंड्स, राइट। तो एक लाइन तो हजारों, उसमें ओरिजिनलिटी कैसी, नथिंग ओरिजिनल, व्हाट यू क्रिएट दैट बिकम ओरिजिनल। किसी ने सोचा था इरफान खान जो डायलॉग बोल रहा है वो कभी इतना ओरिजिनल हो सकता है ना। या फिर नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी आने के पहले, है ना, या फिर बहुत से एक्टर्स हैं जो वो प्रूव दैट दिस कैन बी ओरिजिनल। इमेजिन चीनी कम में अमिताभ बच्चन परफॉर्मेंस, okay, so nothing is original, like nothing is real in this world, everything is myth. Whatever you create at that time, that become original for an audience. If you read Bhagavad Gita, so there are different aspects you get every time. So when I read it, I find Lord Krishna a culprit for Mahabharata, okay, but sometimes I find Sakuni to become a culprit to start Mahabharata. Sometimes I find Duryodhan. So हर समय आपका perception change होता है, right? So there is nothing called original. It's all about how you are saying it. Sometimes you are killing somebody and this is a knife and saying, I love you. Hmm? I love you. And you are killing somebody, right? And you are saying somebody, hey, I love you, but I love someone else too. So it's again mind, body and soul. आप कैसे connect करते हो? So again, that I'm saying that, so you have a monologue, okay, and in that monologue, when you read it, उसके बाद आपको समझ में आएगा। जैसे कि मैं बहुत अच्छा नाटक किया करता था एंटन चेखव का आसपास, तुमने देखा भी होगा शायद, बड़ा अच्छा सा लाइन है, और प्ले स्टार्ट इन दिस वे, अगर आपकी इजाजत हो तो कहूँ, दूसरों की बीवियों को पटाने वाला मुझसे बढ़कर मैंने आज तक कोई नहीं देखा। मैं ये शेखी बगाड़ने के लिए नहीं, बल्कि रिकॉर्ड के हिसाब से कह रहा हूँ। आप चाहे तो रिकॉर्ड चेक कर सकते हैं। हाँ, बस जितने लोग मुझे सुन रहे हैं, अगर ये चाहते हैं कि दूसरों की बीवियों को कैसे पटाया जाए, तो पेन और कॉपी लेकर बैठ जाए। मैं आपको ऐसे ऐसे तरीके बताऊंगा जो बर्माश की तरह अचूक हैं। ठीक है, तो ये इस तरह से प्ले स्टार्ट होता है। अब इसको अलग तरीके से भी बोला जा सकता है ना, आपकी इजाजत हो तो कहूं, दूसरों की बीवियों को पटाने वाला मुझसे बढ़कर कोई नहीं है। मैं सेखी बगाड़ने के लिए नहीं कह रहा हूँ, रिकॉर्ड चेक कर लो, पुलिस स्टेशन में पड़ा हुआ है। अगर आप भी चाहते हो दूसरों की बीवियों को पटाना, तो पेन और पेपर लेकर मेरे सामने बैठ जाओ और अपने फीस को भी दे दो भाई। मैं ऐसे ऐसे तरीके बताऊंगा जो बर्माश की तरह अचूक हैं। ठीक है, तो आप इसको कैसे कैसे प्रैक्टिस करते हो, है ना, और कौन सी चीज उस समय कहानी में होती है। अगेन इसका सबटेक्स्ट ऑल्सो, कि जब आपको स्क्रिप्ट आएगी तो उसका बैकग्राउंड पता होना चाहिए। वो हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे, यानी उसके बैकग्राउंड क्या होनी चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए, है ना, बैक ऑफ द स्टोरीज कैसे क्रिएट करना चाहिए। देखो बहुत बहुत सेंसिटिव चीज है ये, तो बेसिक आज हमने क्लास किया। व्हेन यू गो टू एक्टिंग, इट्स वेरी डीप। लोगों को बहुत, इट्स नॉट अबाउट स्पीकिंग अ डायलॉग, इट्स अबाउट गोइंग मोर डीपर 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 डीपर। जब आपको कुछ चीज डीप मिल जाए ना, तो समझो इट्स जस्ट अ बिगिनिंग, देन यू गो मोर डीप इनटू द स्क्रिप्ट, यू फाइंड इट, राइट। सो जितना मोर डीप यू विल गो, यू विल फाइंड समथिंग न्यू। एंड ऑलवेज बिलीव, ऑलवेज ट्राइंग टू फाइंड समथिंग इन नथिंग। जब कुछ नहीं होगा ना, तो वहीं पे कुछ बनाने का मजा आएगा। आप इमेजिन करो, हम नेचर से सीखते हैं। किसी के घर के ऊपर घर बना सकते हैं क्या? नहीं बना सकते ना। what we do, we find a open space, land, and then we construct our home, right? So try to find something in nothing. Okay, any more questions?
Absolutely right. Thank you so much. We'll try to practice.
Okay, any more questions, guys? So we are going beyond time. Okay, I think let's close our class. Let's close our class with 1 minute of meditation. Close your eyes, everybody, and just listen to my instruction. Close your eyes. Just try to analyze, realize what we have done in our class today. हमने आज जो क्लास में किया उसको एनालाइज रियलाइज करने की कोशिश करें. धीरे धीरे इस चीज को शोध करें. अगले क्लास में हम डेफिनेटली जल्दी मिलेंगे. एंड स्लोली आई एम गोइंग टू एंड दिस क्लास. जस्ट लिसन टू म्यूजिक. And after 1 minute, you can open your eyes and go back to your work. And I request for 15 minutes, don't talk to anybody. Just अपने अंदर में शोध करें. क्या क्या किया आपने क्लास में? Whatever you did in your class, just try to realize. And guys, slowly I'm saying you bye. God bless you. Take care.